I did it. I made the autocrafting. Now, it was a little bit more complicated than I was originally expecting, and I only managed to get 2 things set up, but I set up pistons and chests. So, let me show you how it works. Basically, the first thing that it does is when you press the autocrafting button, is like the autocrafting terminal, it'll send a signal into these redstone links, which then get transferred over here into this OR gate, into this pulse extender, and finally into this redstone link, which then gets transferred all the way over here underneath this gearbox or gear ship over here to turn this belt so that the output of the storage goes this way instead of output, and then that way this can go through into the modular crafting. And I was able to make a system that is modular and doesn't interact with each other in any way. So I can just one crafting recipe is just one slice. So it's nice and simple like that. No hassling, no this first one goes this way, next one goes that way, nothing like that. It's nice and simple. And so what happens is, I'll show you chests, simpler than pistons. So basically what happens is, it calls wood, then the wood gets selected, and then it pulls out exactly 8 wood, and that 8 wood gets crafted, and then that it turns into chest, goes up, the excess wood also goes up back into the system, and the chest also goes back into the system. So now the chest is almost set up. I should put the filter. Okay, so now chests are over there, and as you can see, there was 3 in there before. And if I press the button again, the wood will go in. It'll get pulled. Then it'll get pulled 8 exactly. Then the arm will craft it, and then the mechanical crafters. And then it gets crafted. It goes over there, goes up, and then if we wait a second, now it's coming. Now there's 4. And it works the same for pistons, it's just a little bit more complicated. So basically what happens is it calls iron, planks, cobblestone, redstone, and then the exact numbers it needs get pulled out, 1, 3, 4, and 1. Then it gets crafted. I'll do it again just so you can see. So, yeah, so see, it gets crafted. Exactly the right number of materials, there's no excess materials, then all the excess goes back into the system, and so do the pistons, and now the pistons are stored over here, as you can see. So yeah, I did it, it's working. Yeah, that is auto-crafting, and as I said before, it's completely modular, so right now it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 potential slots for recipes, but this can go on forever. There's no limit, except for the limit of belts. You can just add another belt, that's not a big deal. And yeah, it took a couple of tries, but it works now, and I think it's pretty cool. And I think I'm gonna do one more video on this system where it's gonna be kind of finishing it off. I'll add a few more items into the storage system. I might add a few more crafting recipes, and then I'll finish it up. I'll add a map, and yeah, I'll finish everything up. And yeah, that'll be the end of this build that I'll show off. So yeah, I'll put in a playlist because yeah. Okay, create E2 or whatever. Create request-based storage. Create storage. Yeah, auto-crafting. Let me know what you think I should do next though, because I'm wondering, because I have storage and I have auto-crafting. I'm wondering what to do next. Okay, I'm Daisy MC, and bye-bye!